Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Can Wealthsimple crypto be hacked? Now, before I get into the details, I want to be clear that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who's interested in cryptocurrency and wants to share what I've learned. So, with that being said, let's get started. What is Wealthsimple Crypto? Wealthsimple Crypto is a Canadian company that offers a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. They have a number of features that make them a popular choice for investors, including low fees, easy-to-use interface, secure storage. How does Wealthsimple Crypto work? When you sign up for Wealthsimple Crypto, you'll need to create an account and provide some personal information. Once your account is verified, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrency. Wealthsimple Crypto uses a number of security measures to protect your assets, including two-factor authentication, cold storage, encryption. Is Wealthsimple Crypto safe? Yes, Wealthsimple Crypto is a safe and secure platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. However, it's important to remember that no platform is 100% safe from hackers. There's always a risk that your account could be compromised. How can you protect your Wealthsimple Crypto account? There are a few things you can do to help protect your Wealthsimple Crypto account. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Be careful about clicking on links or attachments from unknown sources. Regularly monitor your account for suspicious activity. What are the risks of using Wealthsimple Crypto? In addition to the risk of hacking, there are a few other risks associated with using Wealthsimple Crypto. Volatility, market manipulation, regulatory uncertainty. Overall, Wealthsimple Crypto is a safe and secure platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before you start using it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Wealthsimple Crypto and how to protect your account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, I encourage you to check out my other videos on the topic. I also recommend doing your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. You can also protect your Wealthsimple Crypto account by using a hardware wallet. Be sure to back up your recovery phrase in a safe place. Keep your software up to date. By following these tips, you can help protect your Wealthsimple Crypto account and stay safe while investing in cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, stay safe and happy investing.